Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into an app called Themes. Then skip an ad at the bottom right corner and click on Fonts next to Profile at the bottom. Now click on the best one for you. Select over here Buy, or you can also just go for free one by tapping on Categories at the top and clicking on More section over here. Now select a free font and click on Free instead of Buy. Lastly, to apply your new font, hit Apply over here, wait couple of seconds and tap on Home button. As you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can do that by accessing Devices Settings, scrolling down and tapping on Display. Now scroll down again, select Font, close an ad, and click on Profile at the bottom right corner. You can do exactly the same by going into Themes and selecting Profile. Last but not least, tap on Fonts, select Roboto and hit Apply. Then reboot your device thanks to Reboot option in the pop-up and wait for it to activate. As you can see, after that, my font style has changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!